Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to fix Capcut templates not showing. If you have recently installed Capcut and there are no templates to show here, then how you can get new templates on the Capcut. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the AutoCut here and you have to select any photos so that you can add them in Capcut templates. After some time, they will analyze the clip, and after some time generating the result, here will be shown the templates. After you select any template and save that template into your device, then that template will be shown. As you can see, there are many templates to show here. You can select any of the templates here and that template is applied on your clip or photo, and after that if you click on export here, then here you can see export without watermark. Then you have to sign into your TikTok account, so you have to export. After exporting, you will see that video is available as a template. As you can see here, the templates are showing. The CapCut showed that template which you use in your clips while you edit on CapCut. In this way you can add as many templates you want on CapCut. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.